Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will introduce you one of the best and newest metaverse tokens. So let's get started. Before starting the video, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. While we upload a new video, you should be the first person to get the notification. As you know that it's about a month or 2 months that the metaverse tokens are just exploring the coin market cap or the cryptocurrency market. Through this video, I will introduce you one of the best metaverse token that have the potential to earn 100x or up to 1000x profit from this token. In this video, I will give you the more details about this token, the new token, and where to buy it, each and everything. So I will open the browser. Before navigating to the process, check out into crypto, check out the mining tutorials and Binance tutorials and coin reviews into crypto. So here is the coin market cap. If we check out the cryptos, 50,403 cryptos or cryptocurrency is now available. There is 443 exchanges. So the market cap, as about 3 days ago, the market of cryptocurrency just crashed, as Bitcoin was 58,000, and just the Bitcoin price is just decreased from 58,000 to 48,000. Why the price just crashed? There is the big secret on the behind of this cryptocurrency, that $200 million just hacked from the Bitmart exchange. There is market cap 2.36 trillion. So here is the Bitcoin price, $49,868. There is the Ethereum. Ethereum is still on its own place, like there is $4,389. There is the Binance coin. Again, Binance coin is again good, like there is $606. So Solana, $191. There is Cardano. 10.34% of Cardano price just decreased or crashed in 7 days. Like you can see, the price was above $2, and you can see here is $1.38. The XRP again, XRP just near was 1.40 cent. You can see it is 0.85 cent now. Again, here is Luna, Polkadot. Want to have more information? There is the Dogecoin. Want to have more information about the cryptocurrency market? Navigate to into crypto and check out the each and everything on the coin market cap. So MetaHero is one of the new metaverse token that you can see here is still it is not above $1. 0.21 cent the price of MetaHero. I will clear you. You can check metahero.io. There is they have their own community on the Twitter, on the LinkedIn, on the Reddit. There is the contracts. They have the contract with the Binance Smart Chain. Still they are not having the contracts with the Ethereum, but again that's good. They have the contracts with the Binance Smart Chain. Each and everything I will show you where you can buy and which cryptocurrency exchanges are listed the MetaHero tokens. There is the market cap above 1 billion. It is very good. Here is the fully diluted market cap 2 billion, 24-hour volume. Here is the max supply, the total supply. If you should check the all graph of MetaHero token or metaverse token, here is the just on 7/7/2021 the MetaHero token launched in the market. The price was 0.007. Price again increased. Here you can see the all-time high. Here is the all-time high. If you should check, there is the 0.24. As you can see, the today is 0.21 cent. So here is the price exchange, the 24-hour volume. Here is the trading volume, the volume market cap, the market dominance, having the good market ring 2,801. There is the market cap. Want to have, here is the live MetaHero price data. So again scroll down. There is the MetaHero markets. The cryptocurrency exchanges that currently having the MetaHero token. You can see. I will click on the see all market. Here is, I will scroll down. 13 exchanges are listed the MetaHero. The first exchange of cryptocurrency, that is KuCoin. KuCoin is also one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchange in the universe. So you can see here is the KuCoin, there is the Get.io, the PancakeSwap, LBank, PancakeSwap version 2, XT.com, BSwap, CoinTiger, BKX, CoinW, ZT, Dcoin. The 13 exchanges are currently having the MetaHero token, which you can easily trade on that. There is also another platforms, like there is decentralized platforms. There is the Trust Wallet, the MetaMask wallet. These two platforms are one of the biggest platform, that decentralized platform, that you can easily trade any cryptocurrency, including Bitcoins, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Cardano. These are the coins that you can trading on the Trust Wallet or MetaMask wallet. So also you can easily trade, buy and sell MetaHero token on the Trust Wallet or MetaMask. Before navigating to the deep details, I will clear you what is MetaHero crypto. If you heard about Decentraland or Sandbox, these two cryptocurrency or these two currencies also part of Metaverse tokens or coins. That Decentraland and Sandbox is above $5. So MetaHero is another crypto startup focused on the Metaverse. MetaHero describes itself as a gateway to the Metaverse. It offers 3D scanning solutions for digitizing physical items that can be used across the Metaverse. For example, you can scan your body to create a personalized avatar that you could then use in video games. MetaHero also lets you scan objects and turn them into a 3D NFT. MetaHero provides an important metaverse infrastructure. Is MetaHero crypto is a good for investment? MetaHero scans be used in the metaverse and industries like fashion, medical, and education. People can sell or license their skins to earn money through the MetaHero marketplace. These are the features that the MetaHero token is having inside the metaverse category, inside the metaverse digital world. So MetaHero operates facilities where people can walk into the get a scan. A scan costs $200, which is paid for the hero token. Projects can also reward people with the hero token to incentivize them to get scanned as a way to accelerate the transition to the metaverse. MetaHero makes money by charging for the scans. The businesses has the potential to generate 150 million in annual revenue. People are having the prediction about the MetaHero in 2030. MetaHero's token has a maximum supply of 10 billion units. Some 5 billion tokens are already in circulation, with each trading for about 0.22 cent. The crypto boasts a fully diluted market cap of 2.3 billion compared to 10 billion for Decentraland, whose mana taken trades for about $5. Sandbox, whose send token trades for about $7, carries a market cap of 21 billion. Where can investors buy MetaHero? As I explained you, where you can buy the MetaHero token. If we navigate to the metahero.io, MetaHero is also, here is the metahero.io. You can check the details of MetaHero token on the metahero.io. Here, be your own hero with next generation 3D technology. What they have, create your own 3D avatar, scan and create 3D NFTs, use hero token to transact. Here is the market cap. You can check live on the metahero.io, bringing the next 10 million people into crypto. Two separate companies on life-changing mission. There is, if you can do it the real world, you can do it in the metaverse. There is, they have the gaming, their own license, they have their own NFTs. What is the best thing about the MetaHero token? That they have their own NFTs, they have their own gaming tokens. Like there is the creating the future with the best of the best. Here is, they have the Tencent, the KuCoin, the Konga exchange. Which cryptocurrency websites are currently writing article about the MetaHero token? There is the Yahoo Finance, Business Insider, Cointelegraph, the Market Watch, BSC News, Crypto Daily, Forbes. These are the websites that are currently, they have the article about the MetaHero token on their website. If we navigate to the Twitter of the MetaHero token, they have their own Twitter account. Above 181.8k followers they have. They have over 2 million holders. The MetaHero is having over 2 million holders, and this is also one of the good news for the those who want to invest on the MetaHero token. Also, this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Also, I'm not your financial advisor. Do your own research and buy or invest on the cryptocurrency. The LinkedIn is also having the news about the MetaHero. MetaHero brings to the market 3D scanning and modeling technology that generates ultra-realistic 3D avatars and virtual items to be used across games, VR, social media, and online fashion. The tech also allows for the creation of NFTs from real-world works of the art and collectibles. We have partnered with the world leader in 3D scanning, Wolf Studio. The cutting-edge technology was extensively tested and used by the big industry names. Most recently, CD Projekt created characters for their hot news release, Cyberpunk 2071. If we navigate to the BSC scan is a pull between your wallet and between the cryptocurrency. Like there is the, whenever you are buying selling cryptocurrency, each and every transaction will be listed in the BSC scan. For example, if you want to transfer from Trust Wallet to the MetaMask wallet, also the details, the transaction hash ID will be uploaded in the BSC scan. Here is the price. You can see the total supply of MetaHero token. There is the addresses holders. Also, they have not updated the holders, but again 2 million holders they have. There is the contract, the decimals, official website, social profits. There is the filtered by token holder. There is the transaction hash ID. Here you can see the transaction hash ID, the method, age 55 days 14 hours ago. As the BSC scan have not updated the details about the MetaHero, you can see here is the only one person that they have the transaction about 56 days 4 hours ago. So guys, this was about MetaHero token. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If the video was useful, thumbs up the video, share your nice comments in the below down comment section, and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. While we upload a new video, you should be the first person to get the notification. Thanks for watching. God bless you. I will see you in the next one.